Ducati Lenovo rider Marc Marquez is aiming for another MotoGP world title in 2026 after a dominant 2025 season, following a difficult time with a broken arm. In an interview, Marquez stated that although it is difficult to know the future, he will always give 100% and has the same ambition as if he were still racing, focusing on improving himself every day. Even during rest periods. With his current achievements, he is only one title away from equaling Giacomo Agostini's record of 8 Premier Class titles, leaving him 15 wins behind Valentino Rossi's record in the Premier Class.